All set na po ang lahat para sa pagbubukas ng NCAA Season 99 sa darating na linggo. Bukod sa basketball at volleyball games, magbabalik na rin ang iba pang sports. Ang mga dapat pang abangan, tinutukan ni Katatibayan.
That the 99th season of the National Collegiate Athletic Association begin.
Kasado na ang Season 99 ng National Collegiate Athletic Association o NCAA na may temang New Heroes of the Game. Coming from a very successful Season 98 last year, asahan ang mas intense na bakbakan at aksyon on and off court. Inanunsyo sa media conference na maraming NCAA events ang magbabalik this season, kabilang ang face-to-face taekwondo at chess games. Magbabalik na rin ang badminton at table tennis sporting events. 4P Championship daw ang goal ng Letran Knights.
Do not fear, only believe. Yun talaga yung sinasabi sa amin. Huwag kayong matakot, maniniwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Muna namin isipin yung championship, isipin muna namin bawat laro namin kung paano kami manalo.
Team to beat din this year ang basketball team ng De La Salle College of St. Benilde.
During this off-season, that's what we really worked on, which is our mental game lang.
Malaki naman ang pasasalamat ni LPU Team Captain Enoch Valdez sa NCAA.
Kung hindi dahil sa NCAA, hindi naman ako mapapansin siguro ng PBA. Like, yun nga, hindi rin siguro ako madadraft kasi doon ako nanggaling eh.
Ready na rin daw ang ibang teams.
Ang goal namin is mag-improve kami every training, every day.
Pag EAC na kalaban nyo, hindi magiging madali ang lahat. No?
Yeah.
Layunin daw na NCAA na lalong ilabas ang galing, disiplina at excellence ng kabataan sa sports at maging kampyon sa kanilang buhay.
The NCAA is all about the student athlete. They are our future hope. So now we're going to see new faces. So for sure, the new heroes of the game would be the student athletes making the big plays, breaking records. We have the fans back in the stands. We have the coaches mentoring these young athletes. And we will have officials making the right calls. And these things make the game beautiful. And they are the true heroes of the game.
Sa linggo na ang opening ceremony ng NCAA Season 99 New Heroes of the Game, kung saan magpe-perform ang ilang Sparkle Stars. May special participation din si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Katatibayan, nakatutok 24 oras.
Mga kapuso, kasama nyo kami 24 oras. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Sa mga kapuso abroad, bisitahin ang GMA Pinoy TV at www.gmanews.tv.